Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode from MKsEnglish.com. I'm Mark, and today's topic is work-life balance and daily routines. Many people feel busy all the time. We work, we study, take care of our families, and try to rest and enjoy life. So today, we'll talk about what work-life balance means, how daily routines affect our lives, and how small changes can make a big difference. Let's get started. So, what is work-life balance? Well, work-life balance means having enough time and energy for both work and personal life. Work includes things like your job, studying, housework, and responsibilities. But life, includes family, friends, hobbies, and also rest and relaxation. When work-life balance is good, you feel productive, but not exhausted. When it's bad, you may feel stressed, tired, or unhappy. In today's world, many people check emails at night or work on weekends. Because of this, it can be hard to relax and switch off. Now, let's talk about daily routines. A daily routine is what you usually do every day. For example, wake up at 7 a.m., have breakfast, go to work, eat lunch, come home, relax, and go to bed. Routines can be helpful, but they give structure to your day. However, routines can also become boring or stressful if they are too busy. Many people start their day by checking their phone. They read messages, news, or social media before even getting out of bed. This can increase stress before the day begins. A healthier routine might include waking up slowly, stretching, eating a proper breakfast, and planning the day. When work-life balance is poor, people often experience problems such as trouble sleeping, feeling tired all the time, less motivation, irritability, and health problems. For example, someone who works late every night may stop exercising or meeting friends. Over time, this can lead to loneliness or burnout. Burnout is a state where you feel mentally and physically exhausted because of too much stress. So, how can we improve our work-life balance? Well, here are a few simple ideas. First, set clear boundaries. Try not to check work messages after a certain time. Second, make time for yourself. Even 15 or 20 minutes a day for reading, walking, or listening to music can help. Third, improve your daily routine. Go to bed at the same time each night. Wake up at a regular time and eat regular meals. Finally, remember that balance looks different for everyone. What works for one person may not work for another. Before we finish, think about this question. Is your daily routine helping your life or making it more stressful? Small changes in your routine can lead to big improvements over time. Thank you for listening, and if you enjoyed this episode and want more help improving your English, check my website, www.mksenglish.com. You'll find English lessons, listening practice, and learning material designed to help you speak more confidently in everyday situations. See you next time and happy studying.